guys, another day, another reselling Q&A. Person says, you have promoted cozy threads a few times and I have had nothing but issues with them. I really can't believe anything you say anymore. I'm so disappointed in you. First of all, what? Why do you think you're able to blame me for the issues that you're having with cozy threads? You didn't say the type of issues that you're having. You didn't say if you've contacted them and they haven't contacted you back. You just said you're having issues with them. So to not like go into detail about what your issues are, that's kind of like, and to say that you can't believe anything I say anymore, like, that's insane. I am an affiliate with them, but that doesn't mean that I'm just gonna kiss their ass and say nothing but good things about them. I have had a couple of issues with them. I'm still gonna promote them because I think overall they're a good company. Pretty much a brand new company, and they do have some things to work out, but you can't blame me for that. Like, if you have issues with cozy threads, I recommend emailing them and DMing them on Instagram. I don't really know what else to tell you, but it's not my fault that you're having issues with cozy threads. Hi Vanessa, I'm new to your channel. See, this is like total opposite. Hi Vanessa, I'm new to your channel. I'm so glad I found you because you're a breath of fresh air. Thank you, Maria. My question is, what is your favorite thing to source? Well, I source mainly clothing. My favorite clothing item, I would say probably hoodies. That's what I sell the most of. I live in hoodies. I've worn this hoodie like the past 2 days straight. But yeah, I live in hoodies. I have a shit ton of hoodies, and my husband every day he's like, "You're gonna go through your closet and sell some things?" I'm like, no. I would say hoodies. Hoodies are my favorite. Yeah, for sure. Next question, do you ever buy mystery boxes from other resellers? I know you buy them from companies, but what about other sellers? If so, is there anyone that you would recommend? So I'm trying to think. No, I have never purchased. What is going on out there, guys? Didn't mom say don't play ball in the house? That's what they're doing right now. They're throwing around a ball. I've never purchased a mystery box that I can remember. I'm trying to think. I don't know. I'm like 99% sure I've never purchased a mystery box from another reseller before. I do purchase them from companies. I have had bad luck. I like started when I said that. I have had bad luck and I have had good luck with them. I don't purchase them from resellers because I don't know. I mean, I know there are some people out there that sell good mystery boxes, but I feel like if you're a reseller and you're selling a mystery box, there's a reason that you're selling the stuff in that mystery box. Maybe it's because you can't sell the stuff yourself, so you're putting it in a box and trying to make money that way, which is nothing wrong with that at all. There's nothing wrong with that. It's just like, if that isn't going to sell for you, maybe it'll sell for me. I just prefer to buy mystery boxes from companies because I guess I trust it more, even though I have had some shitty boxes before. But yeah, I can't think of anyone that sells mystery boxes that I would recommend. No one that I've purchased from. Next question, do you think you'll be a reseller forever? Okay, maybe not forever, but definitely for a while. I've only been doing this full time for 3 years this month, and I absolutely love it. I don't see myself stopping anytime soon. Who knows? Maybe I'll be like 95 if I live to be 95. Maybe I'll be like 95 in Goodwill and, throwing bows maybe at the bins. I don't know. I do see myself being a reseller for a very long time. Okay, last question. Congratulations on getting your own office space. Are you going to be hiring employees anytime soon? I think we live in the same state and I would love to work for you. Thank you for the congrats. I did get my own office space back in December. Yeah, it was December was my first month there. So I've had it for about 4 months now. I love it. It's in a great location. I love going there and not having everything at my house, even though if you look at this room, you'd be like, Vanessa, what? You have an office space and the room still looks like this? My husband was saying that the other day. He's like, why does this room look like this? I'm like, I don't know. Okay, I'm trying until the whole. So yes, I do love having an office space. I do want to hire employees. Definitely someone to photograph for me. Photograph and list, ideally. That would be fantastic. I just want to go shopping. That's all that I want to do in my business. I don't want to. I'll ship things too. I'll shop and ship. I'll shop and ship, and I need someone to photo and list. I was thinking about doing it this summer, but I don't know. We have our nanny coming back for the summer, which is great. She actually starts in like 3 weeks, I think, or like 2.5 weeks, which is crazy. I don't know if this summer is going to be the summer that I hire an employee, or maybe in the fall. I don't know. I'm just kind of taking it day by day, and each day I get more frustrated with taking photographs and listings. So we'll see. Maybe I'll hire one tomorrow. Maybe I won't hire one for another year. I don't know. But eventually I do want to have an employee. That would be great. So I don't have to do everything because I'm already doing everything. So that is it for this video. I hope it answered your questions. If you have any other questions, you can comment down below or send me a DM on Instagram. If you're new to Poshmark and you want to sign up, you can use my code. It is Keepin' It Rad. You get a $10 credit and I also get a $10 credit. So thank you. I just bit my cheek while I was saying that sentence and I just continued on. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll talk to you guys in my next video. Bye.